Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change country on Nintendo. If you've recently moved to a new country or need access to a different Nintendo eShop, you can easily change your country in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer and type in nintendo.com and log in. Once you're logged into the homepage of Nintendo, go to the upper right corner and look for the flag icon and click on it. This will take you to the region selector page from where you can choose a different region or country. Select the country you want to change to from the menu and you'll be able to see that your country has been changed at the top right corner. So that is how you can easily change your country on Nintendo. After you select a different country, you'll also be able to select the language for that chosen specific country. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.